Welcome to my page. I'm Maria Kilios and you can connect with me here. If you're already a member of the Step 1 business, go straight to Step 2 Elevation Basic. Our most affordable cost that we offer is our Elevation Basic. This cost dives deep into how to network your way to success and even into some social media lead generation. In this day and age, it is widely known how important it is to be able to generate leads online consistently. We believe the Elevation Basic Pack is really helpful in this area. Elevation Elite course is the next level after Basic that goes deeper into the video aspect of marketing such as YouTube and Udemy. You'll learn a lot about what you can do with video to drive more sales into your business. You'll notice that most of the social networks now are really driving video right now because it is vital when it comes to getting your content out your target market. Vertex course is our in-depth course that dives into many different areas, but the primary focus is in affiliate marketing. You'll learn about how to sell a product that someone else created for a commission. Not only do we go into how you can be an affiliate for someone else, but you even get walked through how to launch your own product and attract affiliates for it. Vertex Elite is our course that really dives into how to generate free traffic online.